Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Akshita Tiwari and I am a trainee cabin crew with Indigo Airlines. And today I am sharing the video regarding my interview experience with Indigo so that you people can get to know the real unfiltered experience of a cabin crew interview and how you can easily crack it in just a go or in second attempt. All right, so let's get started. But before that, I want to tell you guys that as I told you all that I'm from Lucknow, but to give my interview I traveled to Delhi because as we all know Delhi has a great competition, but the concentration rate is also very high there. So I left my city and went to Delhi to give my interview, and the day was 19th of March. I'm not sure, but yeah, it was 19th of March. So jab I reached the venue, there were many girls. There were plenty of girls, very beautiful, properly groomed, and I was the one who didn't know how to do makeup, and I was not even looking very formal. मेरी जो बेलीज थी, मैंने जो पहन रखे थे अपने शूज़, वो भी थोड़े से टर्न आउट हो गए थे. आई डोंट नो हाउ. मतलब वहाँ पे उस दिन दे वर इन अ वेरी बैड कंडीशन. आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी डिस्करेज्ड एट दैट मोमेंट. ऑल्सो मेरा मेकअप भी प्रॉपरली नहीं हुआ था जस्ट बिकॉज मैं लेट उठी थी ऑन दैट डे एंड आई couldn't do proper makeup, but somehow I managed to go there and thought that I will definitely carry a lot of confidence and I need not to get hesitated just because of the small things that were happening to me on that day. So first round हमारा जो था वो GD था, काइंड ऑफ GD हम बोलते हैं, बट इन दैट राउंड इन HR सिट्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ ग्रुप और वो क्वेश्चंस करते हैं सबसे इंडिविजुअली. तो जो क्वेश्चन मेरे से किया गया था एंड हमारी बाकी लड़कियों से किया गया था, it was just from our resumes only. She asked me that which interview this is of yours. I told her, ma'am, that this is my first interview, although it was my I think third or fourth attempt, but I still lied to her because अगर मैं third or fourth बोलती तो it was very obvious that she would end up asking me that okay आप क्यों reject हुए in your last interviews, and I didn't want that thing on that day. तो मैंने lie बोला, but in a very good way, that it was my first attempt. उसके बाद वो बोलती हैं कि why you wanted to उसके बाद बोला उसने HR मैम ने कि why you want to become a cabin crew. And guys, trust me, जो मैंने आंसर बोला, it's going to shock you all, but I have to say this in front of you that before completing my 12th, I didn't even know that who an air hostess actually is and what's this profession all about. And I just spoke this in front of her. मैंने उनको अपना पूरा स्टोरी बता दिया in a very short and crisp way, and she just stopped me in the middle of my answer and kept my CV aside. And then I got to know that okay, maybe I am selected, that is why she just stopped me in the middle. Although I was confused enough, but there were very less CVs where she had kept my CV. तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा श्योरिटी मिल गया था that I was selected on my in my first round. Okay, so my group contained I think 12 members. 12 में से 8 or 9 were selected in the very first round and 2 or 3 were rejected. So उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला to go and wait for a while. So we were made to wait for actually 30 minutes. Then we were started with our second round, which was virtual round on that day. Oh sorry, communication round. Actually what happens is communication round हमारा virtually conduct होता है virtually, मतलब through laptop or through phone if the network is not proper. So उस दिन क्या हुआ था ना, the candidates were a lot, बहुत सारे थे, due to which at a side लैपटॉप से इंटरव्यू हो रहा था एंड इन वन साइड देयर वाज अनदर HR हु वाज टेकिंग इन पर्सन, मतलब कम्युनिकेशन राउंड शी वाज टेकिंग इन पर्सन. आई थॉट क्योंकि मैं दो 3 इंटरव्यूज़ दे चुकी थी तो मैं लैपटॉप वाले से ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल थी कि मैं सोच रही थी कि मेरा टर्न आ जाए तो मैं लैपटॉप से दे दूँ, बट वो हुआ नहीं. और एक्चुअली मुझे I was supposed to go to that HR and give my communication round to her only. But still I didn't lose my confidence. I was very happy. I was actually pretending to be happy, which actually made me to not lose my confidence. This is what I'm trying to say to you all, that pretend Okay, pretend. Even if you are not happy, even if you are not feeling good, pretend. Okay, it will create a good and confident mindset in you, which is very important on your day of interview. Okay, तो जब I went to that HR, I greeted her. I instantly asked her that how are you. In return, she told me and everything. Then she just saw my CV in one go. She asked me that talk about your hobbies, because my hobbies seemed very interesting to her. मैंने अपना weight because I go to the gym, तो मैंने लिखा हुआ था that weightlifting, dancing and public speaking. Although I don't do public speaking, but just in case to थोड़ा सा बढ़ाने के लिए, मल्टीपल हॉबीज़ के लिए आई रोड दैट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. ओके, सो उन्होंने मेरे से पूछ लिया. आई टोल्ड माई 2 हॉबीज़ विच इज़ डांसिंग एंड वेट लिफ्टिंग. आई स्किप द थर्ड वन, to which she cross questioned me and asked me that, okay, what about public speaking, Akshita? Okay, or I had no idea at that time, but still I managed to speak something because I had to speak on that day. Okay, I had no other option. तो मैंने बोला, मैंने पहले public speaking का उनको definition दे दिया कि public speaking is something which can help others. मतलब ऐसे मैंने थोड़ा सा बना के उनको बोला कि हाँ, इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं पीपल एंड एवरीथिंग. Then she asked me that, okay, tell me one incident where you did your public speaking. Although I never did this thing, but still I managed to speak. मैंने उन्हें बोला कि in my college days, there was a day, actually it was my annual function, when I spoke about dancing मेरे माइंड में ऑलरेडी चल रहा हुआ था, बिकॉज मैंने हॉबीज़ अपना जस्ट बोला था, तो मैंने उसी से क्रिएट कर दिया दैट व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ डांसिंग. मैंने वो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग किया था एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी रियली गुड. ऐसा मैंने उनको बोल दिया. तो आई वाज एक्चुअली लाइंग ऑन दैट डे, नॉट टू मच, बट येस, द मोमेंट व्हेन आई fumbled, the moment I thought that, okay, now I have to speak something. Okay, so at that time you can lie, but you have to manage your expressions, because they are HR. They will easily get to know if you're lying or if you're faking or you just true to yourself. Okay, even if you're lying, you have to pretend that it's all correct. You have to manage expressions and everything. All right, तो मैंने बोला उनको, to which she was laughing. She was actually smiling. I was also very happy on that day, so I managed to control my whole facial expressions. And then she asked me that what are the qualities you see in yourself to become a cabin crew member. तो मैंने उन्हें बताया. मतलब उस टाइम भी मैं ब्लैंक हो गई थी, बिकॉज व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज़, मैंने तो याद ही नहीं किया था भाई. मैंने तो सोचा हुआ था, ओके, मतलब कैबिन क्रू से रिलेटेड, अगर प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड अगर कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगी, तो आई हैव 2 to 3 आंसर्स विच आई हैव लर्नड. आई विल स्पीक दैट ओनली. बट मुझे ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था कि वो ऐसा क्या क्वालिटी पूछेंगी कि मेरे में है और सोचती हूँ मैं कैबिन क्रू बनने को. But still, I managed to answer that because I had some qualities due to which I wanted to become a cabin crew member. तो मैंने उन्हें बताया कि I have good communication skills. I am very kind and genuine to others. That is why I feel that I am eligible for becoming a cabin crew member. I'm just telling you guys in short. By the way, the answer was very long. This is the thing I'm trying to explain, that in communication round you have to speak a lot. Even if you are bound with some small thoughts, but you have to speak a lot. Okay, speak your thoughts, speak your personal opinions, your feelings are actually very important while speaking your answers. Okay, you don't have to be robotic while speaking. You have to speak your heart. Okay, that's how she's going to know that you're honest. Okay, you have to show your honesty on the day of your interview. Okay, then lastly she asked me that आप अपना होली का इंसिडेंट उन्होंने मेरे से पूछा कि ओके, आप बताओ आपने लास्ट अपना फेस्टिवल कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया इन हिंदी. मैंने उन्हें बताया दैट होली मेरा लास्ट फेस्टिवल था, मैंने इसे कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया. ऑल्दो मैं थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश वर्ड्स भी बोल रही थी, विच मैंने सोचा कि नहीं ओके होगा, क्योंकि आई वाज स्पीकिंग लाइक हमारी फैमिली में हमने बहुत अच्छे से होली सेलिब्रेट किया. हमने गुजिया खाए और शेयर भी किया अपने फैमिली मेम्बर से, और काफ़ी हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे को हग वगैरह किया. तो मैं इंग्लिश वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रही थी, ड्यू टू विच शी वाज आल्सो स्माइलिंग. मतलब वो अच्छा से काफ़ी ह्यूमरस मोमेंट बन गया था हम दोनों के बीच. एंड देन आई जस्ट मतलब हमारा ख़त्म हो गया वो राउंड. एंड देन शी टोल्ड मी टू वेट फॉर अ वाइल टू गेट द रिजल्ट्स. देन आफ्टर वेटिंग फॉर almost 15 to 20 minutes, I got to know that I am selected in my second round. And then I was supposed to give my medicals. Medical round is all about checking your eyesight, your BMI and some scars if you have any. मेरा BMI भी ठीक है, everything is okay in my medical वाला राउंड. तो मेरा मेडिकल भी क्लियर हो गया, मेडिकल वाला राउंड मेरा क्लियर हो गया. एंड एक्चुअली ऑन दैट डे काफ़ी लेट हो गया था बिकॉज द कैंडिडेट्स वर अ लॉट एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर. तो उन्होंने ना हमारा 4th राउंड, हाँ सो गाइस उस दिन ना काफ़ी लेट हो चुका था, ड्यू टू विच हमारा 4th राउंड कैंसिल हो गया था, विच इज़ PI राउंड, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, in which HR sits in front of you and she asks you questions personally, not a lot of questions but 1 or 2 just to check your personality and everything. तो हमें बता दिया गया था कि they were about to share the results with all of us. So on that day, मतलब on that day 14 girls were selected including me. Okay, and yes, that was the moment. मैं बहुत scared थी because ऑब्वियसली मैंने हिंदी वाले क्वेश्चंस पे मैंने थोड़ा से इंग्लिश वर्ड्स बोले हुए थे. शी वॉज ऑल्सो लाविंग एट दैट टाइम. मैं समझ गई थी कि शायद कुछ तो गड़बड़ी होगी, उससे शायद मेरा सिलेक्शन रुक जाए. ठीक है, बट एट द लास्ट आई मेड इट. मैं सेलेक्टेड थी उस दिन. आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. आई इंस्टेंटली कॉल माई पेरेंट्स एंड टोल्ड देम दैट आई एम सेलेक्टेड. दे वर ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी. एंड येस, आफ्टर लाइक रात में मुझे मेल आ गया था ऑफ माई सिलेक्शन विद इंडिगो. And then after few days my medicals got started and now I am at iFly completing my training. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. This is all from my side. If you liked my video, I will try my best to share the other things as well, like my training parts and everything, my medical videos. If you want to see those videos and get to know more, want to know more about the things that are happening, so please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to share all of these things with you all. Thank you so much for watching my video guys, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye guys, see you all.